Good morning. So I'm starting this vlog with a day off just because I want to have like a decent vlogging introduction, even though I have a lot of work to do. Starting off with like a little haul. So I recently discovered this Korean fashion brand called Codibook, and I'll be very honest, I was very surprised by the pieces I received. They have a really big selection of products on their website. It was impossible for me to pick only a few items. Even so, I am so happy with the pieces I've received. You will see me still styling these items like next fall. Like, I'm already thinking of saving these pieces for next fall because it's already winter in Canada. But before that, obviously I have to do a quick little introduction because I know that probably most of you guys don't know about this brand. And there's like new arrivals like literally every day. Like, that's what I'm telling you. It was impossible for me to pick only a few items. And it's much more than just like clothing. There's like shoes. I got a pair of boots, and they do have a lot of cute little accessories, socks, hair accessories that I didn't have a chance to get, but next time I definitely will get my hands on them. And one thing I love is that they have their own apps, and I was really surprised they have their own apps because not all stores have their apps yet, and especially for like a store that I have never shopped on, I was very surprised they have an app, and it works very fine, like very good, no bug, and you get to see everything. It's very convenient. You get to sign up for free. Favorite, you can use I use the favorites to really keep track of all the pieces I like, and then I'll transfer my favorites to my cart. They also do offer worldwide free shipping, which is great, and I personally did not get any duty taxes. And I live in a very restricted province which normally does charge duty fees. Lastly, before we get started, I already inserted my code, but my code is gonna be KIKO or KIKOMOON, but I'm pretty sure I changed it to KIKO to make it easier for you guys. Without further ado, I'm just gonna get it started. Alright, I'm gonna get it started with what I have on right now. I love this jacket. I hope you guys can see. I love this jacket, absolutely in love with it, and it works so well with my hair right now. Like, gray tones looks really good on ginger hair, and I just love this jacket. Like, I have to say more constructive things than just I like it. So I got this like gray wool kind of varsity jacket because I just don't own anything like this, and I've been wanting something like this for a really long time. It's just every time I come across one, it's like a color that I would just not wear, like forest green, you know, neutral, so that I could actually wear this on a regular basis and not just like once and take a picture and, you know. How I would have styled this jacket is with a mini shoulder bag, and I literally got the perfect brown shoulder bag. Look at this, please. And it's a very slim, but you can definitely still fit a bunch of things in it. It has a clasp, it has a zipper, and it has a little compartment for your card, and it works with my hair, you know. I'm styling this jacket and the little purse with this lovely skirt. And guys, this is good quality. What's so tricky about a pleated skirt is that sometimes the fabric is not thick enough to keep the whole pleated structure in place, but this mini skirt is just working. Like, it is so cute. I like that the pleated part is not too big compared to this part, so it looks very like a micro mini skirt, and I just really like the plaid and the little belt buckles. So it sits more low-waisted, which I really don't mind because I feel like if it was higher-waisted, my butt cheeks would just be out for the public to see. Okay, you guys know how much I love my fall jackets even though it's winter. And this one, I've seen a lot of similar ones like on Pinterest and everything. I got a faux leather jacket with some embroidered writing at the back, and it's just like black and white, which is just something I needed. It is, I have to say, very oversized on me. It is a one size fits all. They do have it in gray as well, but I'm very excited to style this. There's enough space for me to like wear a hoodie inside and wear like a sweater. I found the most perfect boots I got these boots and they are so cute. I've been trying to find this shape boots for a really long time for an affordable price, but I couldn't. But I found these on Codibook and I just really like the layering here. And to top it off, I got this black shoulder bag, and it is very similar to the brown one. I just really adore the shape. Very cute, very clean and chic. It looks like very expensive. Alright, so those are all the pieces I got from Codibook. Like I said, I have a code which is KIKO or KIKOMOON. Make sure to use that if you want to get a little discount on your purchases. But yeah, that's all I got. Let's go style and create content with them now. Alright guys, I'm too much of a pussy and I don't want to go outside because it is fucking freezing, so I'm just gonna shoot from my bathroom. My bathroom is fucking disgusting, but I'm not even gonna show you. I put you wherever is disgusting so you can't see it. But this is like a little behind the scenes of how I shoot my content. Hopefully no one except for you guys is gonna know that this was shot from my fucking bathroom. Sorry for all the cursing, but I'm 24 and I'm just gonna curse as much as I can, because as long as I'm not cursing to anyone, I'm just cursing into my bathroom.
Let's talk business. This fat bastard is trying to move in on Mauricio's business.
Throw me out now, it's like you never opened your door. You can let me die right there in front of me.
It's a creepy how you dare, baby, we had make a play.
Good morning. I haven't vlogged in a few days, but it's like almost final seasons now. And today I think I have a pop-up quiz, so I'm gonna go to school. I have like 45 minutes to study and we'll see how that goes. I'll try to bring you guys along, but I just keep forgetting to vlog. Oops. Oh my god, I feel like a kid. Oh my god,